I trust God. I believe God. I am encouraged because I know God is able. He will get his just reward. And we have the federal trial and another trial to go. I'm just waiting on the Lord. I'm just going to rest in the Lord.
Judy Scott, the mother of Walter Scott, says that she is trusting in God. She said that moments after a mistrial declared for the man charged with her son's murder. The jury could not agree on the fate of former North Charleston police officer Michael Slager. News 2's Macy McLeod is live for us just outside the Charleston County Courthouse with more on what went on inside that courtroom. Macy?
Well, Brad, before the jury went home on Friday, they told the judge they still had quite a few questions about legal terminology. And when they came back here, first thing Monday morning, they gave a list of those questions to the judge and a note saying that at that time, the majority of the jury was still undecided. Their questions included specifications about why voluntary manslaughter charge was offered in addition to the murder charge, the time frame for afterthought for murder, and if self-defense applies to a police officer in the same way as a civilian. However, even after answering these questions, after 5 weeks of testimony and 4 days of deliberation, the jury could still not reach a verdict.
We as the jury regret to inform the court that despite the best efforts on all members, we are unable to come to a unanimous decision in the case of the state versus Michael Slager.
Both the judge and solicitor said this jury deliberated longer than any other jury they had seen in a criminal case, and they say they have no doubt that this jury did try their very best to come to a unanimous decision and thank them for their service. Live in downtown Charleston, Macy McLeod, News 2.
Ninth Circuit Solicitor Scarlett Wilson said her thoughts and prayers are with the Scott family. She went on to say in a statement that the Scotts have been a sterling example of dignity and grace in extraordinary circumstances. Solicitor Wilson also said, "We will try Michael Slager again. We hope the federal and state courts will coordinate efforts regarding any future trial dates, but we stand ready whenever the court calls." Wilson ended her statement by saying she cannot comment further because of her role as a circuit solicitor. She also reminded everyone that Slager is presumed innocent unless and until he is proven guilty.